This is a lesson of note taking, transcriptions, and etc. So first, in today class we will study about the note takings. What are the points we have to keep in mind while we are taking the dictation? The inexperienced writer may sometimes find difficulty in turning over the leaves of his notebook. The following method may be usefully adopted while writing on the upper half of the leaf. Introduce the second finger of the left hand between it and the next leaf, keeping the leaf which is being written on steady by the first finger and thumb. While writing on the lower part of the page, shift the leaf by degrees till it is about halfway up the book, and at a convenient moment lift up the first finger and thumb. When the leaf will turn over almost of itself. This is the best plan when writing on a desk or table. When writing with the book on the knee, the first finger should be introduced instead of the second, and the leaf be moved up only about 2 inches. The finger should be introduced at the first pause the speaker makes, or at any other convenient opportunity that presents itself. Another method is to take hold of the bottom left hand corner of the leaf with the finger and thumb, and on the bottom line being reached the leaf is lifted and turned over. Some reporters prefer a reporting book the leaves of which turn over like those of a printed book. When such a book is used, there is less difficulty in turning over the leaves with the left hand. Whichever form of book is used, the writer should confine himself to one side of the paper till the end of the book is reached, and turn the book round and write on the blank side of the paper, proceeding as before. So these are the some points which we have to keep in mind while we are taking notes from the dictator. These using of these points, our taking the taking the notes makes easier if we follow all these rules whatever is given on this note. So whenever you are taking the notes or a dictation, you should follow all the rules and all the points whatever as we discussed in today class.